What's up everybody? I figured I would make a quick video on one of my more popular multi-action buttons I use on my Stream Deck. It is called my Let's Go button, and I basically use that when I want to start my stream. And basically what it does is it switches everything to the right scene, plays a little background music, it has a 5-minute delay, it puts a message in chat, it plays my intro video, switches to my just chatting scene, and stops the music and all of that stuff. So let's go ahead and get started, and I will show you how I built that button. So we're just going to use a blank space right here, and we're going to create a multi-action button, and we'll call this Start the Stream. And it needs some actions, and so I'm using OBS. You can easily do this with Streamlabs OBS, and I would assume any other broadcasting software would work as well. But with OBS, I'm going to look for OBS over here. So the first thing I want to do is make sure it's on my starting scene, and so I'll select scene, and we'll just call this starting scene. And that happens to be the name of my starting scene, and so that is fine. The next thing I want to do is I want to get my intro music started so that when I actually start my stream, the intro music is already playing and it's on the right scene. Now I'm using Voicemod, but you can really use anything. If you wanted to use a media source, you could do that. So just for example here, I'm going to go over to Voicemod, and I use the soundboard, and I just use some of the sounds from the Voicemod. You can use pretty much whatever you want. Now let's say that you wanted to use a like Windows Media Player or something like that. You can do that as well. I'll just show you that and open this file. So let's say you wanted to open a file, you could play an MP3 or whatever, but we're not going to do that. I'm just going to use the Voicemod. Then you want to actually start the stream. So I'm going to go back to OBS, choose stream, and we're going to start. So now that the stream is running, I want it to stay on my starting scene, and I want it to play the music for about 5 minutes before I transition. So what we need to do now is put in a delay, and delay is under Stream Deck, and you choose delay. The delay is measured in milliseconds, and so if you want a 5-minute delay, that is 300,000 milliseconds, and whatever time limit you want, you can Google it to do the quick conversion if you need to. So after that delay, I want to put a message in chat welcoming anybody that showed up early. I really appreciate the early gang, the ones that come out as soon as those notifications go live. And so I just want to send them a little bit extra love. I have Twitch connected to my Stream Deck, and so I can use the Twitch plugin to send a message. So we'll send a message to chat, call it welcome in. You can also use your emotes here if you want. You would just need to type in the text for the emotes. I'm just going to say hello, early gang. And after the 5 minutes and after that message has been displayed, now I want to stop my music and I want to switch to another scene. So I'm going to go back to my soundboard. And on soundboard, there is a command to stop all soundboard sounds. So that will stop the music from playing. And that scene is designed so that when I switch to it, it automatically plays an MP4, which is a 1-minute countdown intro message. So since that's 1 minute, I need a 1-minute delay. And I know that 1-minute delay is 60,000 milliseconds. And after that intro scene, then I wanted to transition one final time to my intermission just chatting scene, and that's where I welcome everybody and I'm ready to begin my stream. And when the whole thing's put together, it looks something like this. Yo, what is up, Wildcats? You guys already have me cracking up in the chat. Thanks for watching.